try to pass time until I know exactly what's happening. I think Blake Shelton is naked. So y'all have fun finishing the show. You too. Y'all, I've got to be honest with you. Let me just say this. I'd like to thank Ron Johnson for having us out at the Mullet Festival this year. I'd like to thank everybody who put this on, for letting us come here. But most importantly, you guys, because you guys are out there making us have fun. So thank you guys very much. Oh, many people wonder what the last song of an old cheap band would do.